In this chapter, I'll be talking about the techniques of holding a pen. Having the perfect pen grip is always beneficial to the writers. So, you must be able to hold your pen properly. It also determines your flexibility and flair in your writing. No matter you are writing on a smooth surface or a rough surface, your firm and correct pen grip will help you overcome your hurdles in writing. So let's first discuss about the pen grips you must avoid. As you can see from the example, the pen grip is too close to the nib of the pen, right? See this picture. You should avoid this. You will not be able to balance or you will lose balance while writing. Now the second one. The pen grip should not be too far from the nib of the pen, right? See how far the user is holding the pen. The pen grip is almost in the middle of the pen, which makes it difficult to write, and also the user will lose balance definitely while writing. Let's see the third one. No gap between the thumb and index finger. The writer here will also find it difficult to write and balance during writing, especially he or she won't be able to align the letters properly and the indentation will not be maintained throughout the writing. The last example you must avoid. Holding the pen too much tightly. This is also a very wrong pen grip and you must strictly avoid. Then what's a perfect pen grip? Let's show you with examples. This is the perfect pen grip, as you can see clearly from the picture. You must hold the pen just less than an inch above the nib of your pen with your thumb, index and middle finger touching the pen simultaneously, and you should write at an angle of 45 degrees to the paper or notebook. This is probably the best posture and grip of your pen which enables smooth writing on any kind of paper. So this concludes the chapter. Thank you.